Okay, so today I am actually fixing a vacuum canister. I was playing with the vacuum hose and it broke off. And I went to the store. They actually don't have it, and it's $18. They don't have them in stock, the one I want. There's another one that made by Dorman, but this thing is like really small and I don't want to step it down because I believe it fits into a 1/4 tube vacuum, and the other line was really small like that. I could have stepped it down, but I didn't. So today I'm gonna show you how to fix it. You're gonna need some acetone or nail polish remover or something to clean this section off right here. And then you're going to need the epoxy, the 2 parts, the resin. I'll show you that in a minute to mix it 50-50. You're going to need like a plate and an ice cream stick so you can mix those together so you can put it in. And then you're going to need some drill bits. And in this case, I have already measured it. And it's a 1/8. It'll fit into 1/8. It's kind of tight because it's this part here. I found them at AutoZone. It's just a step down connector. So what I'm going to do is going to drill the hole in through there, and then insert this in and leave it standing there. And then I'm going to pour the resin in. So I'm going to pause the video to save a little bit of time, and I'm going to show you the next step. Okay, so this is step 2. I'm going to show you what I use. I use the 1/8 first, and then I use the 964. Those are the hole that fits in there. The 1/8 fits in kind of tight, so I stepped it up. And now if you look at it really close, I know it's kind of bad lighting. See how it sits in there? It sits perfectly in there. So now I'm gonna pause the video to mix the resin, and then I'll continue it again. Okay, so I ran out of the little battery, so I had to run really quick. And now I'm just gonna scoop it in here and try to seal that little section up. You're gonna have a little, like, save your acetone, and you can just wipe these off. So make sure to have acetone, because if you don't want to, I mean, it doesn't matter, I don't care really, but if you care, make sure to leave acetone around so you can get your cleanup. Probably a spoon would help at this time. To me, it don't matter. You won't be able to see this anyway. Or you can put a piece of paper towel around it, but I'm going to fill it all the way up so the whole thing is sealed. I'll use all of what I use right here. Remember, you still got to leave a little spot so the vacuum tube will go in. So don't try to fill the whole thing, because you need that vacuum tube thing. Oops, I don't know if I'm in camera, but that's it. And now I'm just gonna let it dry. And use the thing here and let it dry, and that's it. Now, so it's about 5 minutes later. I'm gonna pause the video so I can come back in like 5 minutes. That way it's all dried up. Okay, so we're gonna come back in 5 minutes. Okay, so about 6 minutes later, it's kind of hardened here. It's still a little tacky, because remember I put extra resin in there because I want it to be like gluey. But if you touch here, it's still a little tacky on there. This here is really hard. Not hard, but look, it's really hard now. It's still a little gooey if I really pressed it. For this part here, some part is really hard, some part is not, so it's depending where it's at, whether resin, if you mix them well or not. But for here, it's still a little tacky, as you can see, but it's stiff now, so now it's ready to install. And that was easy as that. So this part here, I got it at the a special section where they have the little vacuum tubes. I forgot to mention that. And the whole package, it was $2.99, and that was it. So basically, and I still got a bunch more. It's like all different sizes, so I can use for other stuff. But so basically, I fixed this for $2.99 plus some resins, instead of $18, and then I have to wait till Monday, because it's Sunday today. So I didn't want to do that. So this is what I come up with. It's easy and simple, and cost less too. And now it's easy to just put it back. And that's it on this video.